This is going to be hopefully a quick video in regards to lug nuts from a 2007 Toyota Sienna van. So I was trying out my tool to change tires, to change the tire if I had a flat or something wrong with my wheel. And I found that some of the lug nuts didn't go in correct, all the way in. I couldn't get the tool all the way in. So as you can see, it doesn't go all the way in. If I hit it really hard, I can get it in, but then it's really hard to take out. So I don't want to put it in because then it gets stuck in there. So I found that it made me kind of nervous that with the fact that some of these lug nuts, for some reason, now this is a 2007, so it's an old car, but I found it weird that I couldn't get my tool into some of these lug nuts. They just didn't fit in correctly. This one don't go in at all. It just doesn't go in. And I went to the mechanic, he removed them, and he stated to me that it happens, that sometimes they swell and they just, I don't know, go bad. I've never heard of that, but anyway, so I guess it's an aluminum thing, I'm not sure. So I bought this on Amazon, and as you can see, this is the one, some of them ones that I've been having problems with. The ones that I was having problems with, I had the mechanic remove, he removed them. These are fine. Now I'm going to replace them anyway with new ones, the new ones that I just bought. Do this at your own risk. Ask a professional mechanic. Do not go by this video, please. Anyway, that being said, so I'm gonna keep these, but I'm gonna replace them with these to see if it works well. I always like to have extra lug nuts. As you can see there, I keep them in a bag inside the car, just in case the mechanic loses a lug nut or anything happens like that, I can actually easily just replace it. So that's usually why I have extra lug nuts in the actual van. 2007 Toyota Sienna van. And it has about almost 90,000 miles on it, so I don't drive that much. Again, do this at your own risk. So these are going in the garbage. I'm throwing these away. I've got nothing to do with them. It's about 4 of them that went bad. 4 of those. I was just having issues. I had to shove it in, and then I couldn't take them out once I took the lug nut out. It was issues. 2 of them I couldn't get out at all. And the mechanic removed. So I'll have this at the end. These are a set of 20, as you saw here. Set of 20. They come individually wrapped. Oh, and they're black in color. So they're going to definitely look different. So let me compare it with let me take one of these out. Now they're kind of loose because I loosened them so that I could replace them easily. I think what happens is when the mechanics use those guns to loosen and tighten these lug nuts, since they're deep, they don't go all the way in sometimes, the tool. This is just my assumption, my opinion, doesn't mean anything, but I don't think they can get all the way in there. So it only hits halfway, and when they hit it with the gun, you hear it going da 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 da. It starts to damage this, and the alignment gets off. It comes off. It doesn't stay straight. Kind of shifts, and also swells up the aluminum. I'm assuming. I'm no expert, but I'm assuming. This is a good one. Put it away, and this is the new one. Oh, let's compare it. Sorry. So they look very, very similar. The washer is more, I don't think it moves. Nope. This washer moves, as you can see. This one does not. I don't know if it'll move in time, but it's looks very similar. About the same size. It's just black. I thought I bought silver. It's okay. I'll have detailed pictures of them at the end. And let's put them in. Now again, go up with whatever your mechanic tells you. Do not follow this video. Okay, so let's replace them all. Looks good. Now I know they're new. So let me just weigh them to see if they're the same weight. So this is the original. 2.5. 2.8. Oh, that's interesting. Hold on. Let me just do that again. 2.5. 2.8. So the new ones are heavier. Well done. They're black. So I guess they match the tire. They definitely don't match the lock. So I did that one. This one. This one. And this one. All right, again, at your own risk, I am not a professional. Get advice from your mechanic. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye.